Hello everyone, welcome to the Learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript in Pidgin English series. My name is JerryWebman, and in this video we're going to talk about CSS Margin. CSS Margin gives us ability to add space between each element, space around from the outside part of it. So when I mean space around, me say, let's say we get like a paragraph tag. Maybe not the paragraph tag, not the space where the paragraph tag be. You know, say paragraph tag na block element. And the paragraph tag take this whole space. And let's say we want to add another paragraph tag, we go there here, somewhere here. So CSS Margin gives us access to add space in between this element and this element. We fit there here. So the margin property go work around the elements. So if you get we get properties like margin top, margin left, margin right, and margin bottom. And we also get the unified margin property. We go assign values to all these various elements. We could dive into the code so you go see them. Welcome guys. So if you notice, say in this code we get two div tag and we get two paragraph tag. Each div tag will give them an ID of the first one as first and the second one as second. And we target them inside our inline styling. We give the first one background color of red and the background color of yellow for the second one. But we'll save now and reload so you go see them. So this is now our page where we'll talk about. So we talk about, say we get two paragraph tag. One na red, one na yellow. And see the first paragraph na red, while the second paragraph na yellow. So when we give this first paragraph border margin, now to make sure say we give them space around these elements. So make I come into the first paragraph, make I give them like margin. I give them like, it say we fit get different measurements for them. We give them auto, we fit measure them in percentage, we measure them in pixel, we measure them in various measurement styles. But we'll give them margin of, let's say we'll give them margin of 20 pixel. I go save now. I go come and I go reload. You see, say the space where they around these elements now na 20 pixel, like 20 pixel like this. The space where they around the element na 20 pixel. Make I increase the margin. Make I give them like 40 pixels so you go see them very well. I don't save, so I go reload. You see, say the space increase more. Now you fit give margin as a single property, or you fit give them like margin top. What this one means, say the top element of the margin then go be only the 40 pixel, and I here be the 40 pixel. I don't save now, make I reload. So you see, say the space only they applied on the top aspect of make I give them like margin bottom. Make I give them 40 pixel also. I go save and I go reload. You see, say the down place don't they attach, so we don't get 40 pixel space here, and we don't get 40 pixel space here. So make I give for the left and the right. I make I give the right first. So now we only apply background color, margin right, and margin bottom. I go save now. So we applying the background color will be red, margin right 40 pixel here, and margin bottom 40 pixel here. So this space here go off. You don't see them. So basically, we get 4, which is margin as a single element. If you pass anything, if you pass any property like pixel, we get margin. We get margin top. If you give them any percentage, and we get margin bottom. If you give them any measurement where you like. Okay guys, thank you very much. Thank you for joining this series. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I go see you in the next one.